Hey buddy, today in this video we're making turkey sausage with bell pepper and onion stir fry. Let's begin. We have here some turkey sausage from Johnsonville, and also we have here some sweet bell peppers and 1 onion. And let's cut up the bell peppers. We'll be cutting up 3 bell peppers, 1 red, 1 yellow and orange. You can use any color you like. Just gonna peel off the label. We're going to cut the bell peppers into thin slices so that it can cook easily. Here we go. And let's cut up the rest real quick. We cut up the 3 bell peppers. We're just gonna put it in a cup. And let's cut up the white onion. Peel off the first layer. And we're just going to cut them in slices. There we go. Cut them into thin slices. Just going to break it apart a little bit. And it should look something like this. Okay, we're going to put it into a cup as well. For the Johnsonville turkey sausage, we're only going to be using half of it. There we go. We're going to cut into small slices, around 1/4 inch. Slice it diagonally. Okay, we're set. And let's start cooking. Okay, the pan is heated. We're just going to add some cooking oil. Spread the oil around. Now let's add the turkey sausage. Try to brown up the turkey sausage. Flip them over. Okay, we brown up the sausage. We're going to pick it up. Next, we're going to add in the white onions. Try to brown them up. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir that around with the onions. Looking good. Next, we're going to add the bell peppers. Stir everything all around. Next, we're going to add some black pepper. Just sprinkle a little bit. That. And just a little bit of salt. Stir everything all around. Looking good. We're going to add the turkey sausage back in. Okay, it's looking good. And now let's pick it up. We have here some white rice, and we're going to put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, turkey sausage with bell peppers and onions. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.